Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove page number from the very first few pages. For example, I don't want page number from first, second and third and fourth pages. I want to start numbering from this page. So I select it here, then from layout, breaks, next page. If you click home, then click this symbol. You see here I have section break. Uncheck this icon. Now from insert, page number, bottom page number, select your style. For example, I selected this style. You see here I have number 6. Just from page number, format page number, start from 1. Okay, directly this one B1. Link to previous, unlink it. Good. You see here I have number 5 and here number 4. Just select it here, then page number, remove page number. Now I don't have any page number from the very first few pages. You see, directly page number started from this page. Page 1, page 2 and so on. If you see this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.